Howdy. Yeah, I've got things going on and little projects and things waiting to start, but they're like bigger. And given my attempts at making the thing into the birdhouse the other week, which still doesn't have any residence, I just having to play around and looking at bits and pieces that I've got stored up. I just found these. These are for the camembert cheese you put in the oven. There's the packet they come in. And I've also got this, which is frog tape. I thought there was a complete waste for frog tape to come in that. So I've kept it. I might see if I can use it. What I'm just going to do is see if I can make another birdhouse. Start off, I've taken the backing board off of this one, I've peeled it off, and then I've just stapled the two together like that. The only problem I've got is my staple gun only works at that angle, so I've got to do it a weird diagonal. I'm seeing if this will work. This is just like a, you know, why not kind of thing. Let's see what we can come up with. Okay, my idea is that's that. There's going to be pieces of board in there like all the way around, like so. I want to use this. It's going to be a better shape. Cut the back off of that, and then first thing to do. Hey, it blew up. That was good. Great start. It is me. It is, you know, set fire to something, burn something, break something. Like a birdhouse. So blow up a hairdryer. With that, like that. Just come down like that. Okay, doing well here. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be like that. A hole there. Okay, you can sort of see that. It's in there like that. And then okay, after 5 minutes of planning, we've got this. And then we have a bird nest. It's a robin's house, just in case anyone's doing a why has it got a big hole. The aim is I've got robins and wrens nearby. If they were to nest, chances are slim, but if they were, what I'm going to do is put some facing on there here like this, like that, and on both sides, and then put some like shingle up here. There we go, about an hour of shingle making. It kind of looks like the back of a wagon. I'm going to paint your wagon vibes. You now have this I'm going to just wallop a ton of Mod Podge all over it. Then we'll come back to painting it. The paintbrush doesn't move. Okay, what I'm going to quickly do is just add some adornments. I'm just going to add some posts and pillars, like make it more like a timbered building. We have the black wash, Mod Podge and black acrylic paint, and it is going everywhere. It's flicking and flying and splattering, and dollop this all over and try and smother it. There, back, it's been painted, it's dried. Now I'm going to add, just for texture and for context, try and make this look more like a real thing, some sculptor mould. Now I've got it, I might as well use it. This has had time to dry. The wattling and daub has been applied. I'm going to paint this brown to start with. Paint this with papaya whip. I have a new way of doing this sculptor mould, and I'm going to try it soon enough. It doesn't involve baking it, so we're going to see how that goes. But for now, we've got a lot of this, so we're going to need to use it. There's some very different ways of dry brushing. Some people would like, oh, you need the wetness in the dry brush to make it work. And then other people are like, it's got to be bone dry. What's your take on it? Do you have an opinion? Tell me what your take on dry brushing is. There. Well, there we go. It's in situ with the Baba Yaga and bird feeder. And it's now on this extremely noisy balcony. Just appreciate dogs barking, kids screaming, music playing, people breaking things, people smashing things. The joys of living here. But bird feeder seems popular. House hasn't had any visitors yet, and I've just put that up, so we shall see how it goes. It's not brilliant, but it was a test more than anything. It was a test to see how it'd work and how the sculptor mould would work. Now I've got some ideas. So if you want to make a bird house out of old pots and some dishes, go for it. If you do, then do share it with me, put social media, or send me a link or something. I'd love to see it. Now, I've got an idea. I'm going to go and try and do something else based on the same sort of idea. So if you want to see that and more videos and more crafting, more random things I make, then you should come back next time and see it. Hit subscribe down there, and I shall see you soon. Bye.